Singapore, a tiny island full of big surprises. Here, the future meets the past. Gleaming towers touch old temples. Green gardens bloom in the city. It is a place of constant wonder. An extraordinary journey into contrast begins. Look at Marina Bay sands. 3 towers rise with such grace. A giant ship seems to rest on top. This is the famous Sky Park. Views from here stretch far and wide. The city lights sparkle brightly below. It is a true modern marvel, a bold symbol of Singapore's skyline. Then explore gardens by the bay. This is not just any garden, it is a beautiful dream made real. Giant supertrees glow softly at night. Cool, misty air fills the cloud forest. Flowers bloom in a rainbow of colours. Nature and human science dance together here. A stunning vision of a green tomorrow. Next, feel the pulse of Orchard Road. It is a vibrant river of light. A famous street of endless shopping. People come from all over the world. The energy here is truly electric. So many choices, so much to see. Yet, even here, quiet moments can be found, a place of constant exciting movement. Journey to Sentosa Island. This is an island dedicated to fun. Golden sands invite you to relax. Clear blue waters sparkle in the sun. Universal Studios Singapore waits with movie magic. There are thrills for everyone here. Escape the everyday city bustle. Find your own adventure on its shores. Step into the heart of Chinatown. Red lanterns glow with a soft light. Ancient temples whisper stories of the past. The scent of incense gently fills the air. Traditional shophouses line the narrow streets. History lives and breathes in every corner. It is a true feast for all your senses, a place of timeless traditions and deep heritage. Discover the vibrant world of Little India. Colours burst forth from every direction. Rich spices perfume the warm breeze. Flower garlands shine with dazzling beauty. The sound of music often fills the streets. Temples welcome all with open arms. It is a true, deep cultural immersion, so vibrant, so wonderfully alive. These diverse places live together peacefully. Chinatown, Little India, Arab Street. They're so different from one another, yet they share this small island home. People here respect each other's ways. Many cultures make up one Singapore. This beautiful harmony is truly special. It is the vibrant, beating heart of the city. Escape the city to Pulau Ubin. A short, simple boat ride takes you there. The bustling city feels a world away. Here, nature is the main attraction. You can see Singapore as it once was, before the tall skyscrapers rose so high. Life moves at a different, slower rhythm. It is a quiet, precious green refuge. Explore Pulau Ubin's winding paths. You can easily rent a bicycle or walk along the rustic trails. See old kampong houses, remnants of the past. Discover lush mangrove forests by the water. The Chek Jawa wetlands teem with wildlife. Nature's quiet secrets are waiting here. Find a deep sense of peace in the green. Feel the island's profound, gentle calm. It is such a stark contrast to the mainland. From the busy, modern city sounds, here you hear the birds sing clearly. Breathe in the fresh, clean island air. A deep quiet settles into your soul. This kind of peace is truly precious. A welcome pause, a moment to just breathe. This balance is the essence of Singapore, the new existing beside the old, the fast pace alongside the slow moments. Innovation needs strong roots in the past. Tradition needs its own space to breathe. The city understands this delicate dance. It thrives on this remarkable blend. This duality is its unique spirit, its strength. Why does Singapore charm us so deeply? It is much more than just buildings, more than its beautiful parks and gardens. It is a feeling that stays with you, a sense of constant, joyful discovery. Old ways meet new ideas everywhere, people from all corners of the earth, living and thriving together in harmony. The city works with such smooth efficiency. It is remarkably clean, it feels very safe. Getting around is surprisingly easy. You can explore without any worry. Each day brings a new sight to behold, a new taste to savor, a new sound. This ease makes travel truly joyful, a comfortable space for every wanderer. Singapore leaves a lasting, vivid mark. It is a city where dreams are realized, a place of seemingly endless possibility. It inspires you, it rejuvenates your spirit. It shows us how things can be different. Nature and human progress, hand in hand. Many cultures thriving side by side, a hopeful, shining model for the world. You will carry Singapore with you. Long after your journey there has ended, the bright memories will surely linger, the futuristic gleam of the skyline. The quiet peace found in the gardens, the exciting buzz of the vibrant markets, the delicious taste of its diverse cuisines. It is an extraordinary journey, always calling you back.